climate is the average weather conditions of a given place or region over a 30-year period or longer. Climate can also refer to what is predicted to happen in the atmosphere rather than current conditions. So climate change can have long-term consequences for agriculture, industry, and people's lives. So we defined weather as the term refers to the current state of the atmosphere. You might state, for example, that the weather is sunny or hot. Temperature, precipitation, humidity, and air nearest to the Earth's surface are all terms used to describe weather. When it comes to weather and climate, what's the difference? It's crucial to note the difference between weather and climate when studying about the two. So the period of time is the main distinction between these two phrases. The weather, for example, refers to the daily conditions and changes in the atmosphere, while the climate refers to a location's average weather conditions across time. Climate conditions can also be applied to bigger areas such as countries or cities. Because the temperature and humidity in the atmosphere are always changing, the weather will change as well. For example, we might ask, how hot will it be today or will it rain today when discussing the weather. Climate measurement also provides us with statistical data which is used in weather reports. We may, for example, compare the average amount of rainfall at different times of the year to past years. The study of climate change and its consequences is critical because it allows us to examine daily weather patterns and how it may influence people and their livelihoods. So the topography, the way the landscape fluctuates in height, and any activities taking place in the area can all influence climate conditions in a certain location. These actions might be both human and natural. As a result of climate change, it is projected that global temperatures would rise. As a result, sea levels may rise, affecting precipitation patterns, crops, water sources, and the entire ecosystem. Human activities such as deforestation, fossil fuel burning, and excessive usage of fossil fuels are often the cause of climate change and global warming. In many ways, the terms weather and climate are interchangeable, making it difficult to remember the difference. Climate and weather are similar in that a region's climate is directly tied to the weather that occurs there. If a place has a chilly climate, for example, it will have cold weather. So the way we study weather and climate is similar. The same techniques are used, but climate is study of weather over a longer period of time. Scientists use tools such as satellites to study the Earth's climate, temperature, precipitation, wind speed, cloud cover, and air chemistry are among the climate data obtained. Satellites also collect data on glaciers' melting rates, which can provide valuable insight into the Earth's climate. Weather balloons, which are special balloons that are sent high into the atmosphere with instruments to detect pressure, temperature, humidity, and wind speed, which are also used. The data obtained by weather balloons is useful for computer models that forecast the weather.